Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a product from Rathcore. This video is obviously hobby related, so if you are a miniature painter or you are starting to paint miniatures and want to, let's say, achieve a better quality of painting, and you don't want to use any kind of peel bottles and putty to stick the mini to the bottle, then this is one of the products that I have here and I would like to share with you. So the Rathcore did offer these on Kickstarter back the last year, and today we'll be talking about the version 2. So this is the miniature holder version 2. They also have a expensive larger wooden handle one that you can grip with your full hand, but that is more expensive. So price wise, just for your standard miniature holder version 2, you are looking to pay around 19 euros, and for that price you will get obviously the holder, then the arm with one skull attachment, and inside you will find one cork adapter. So this is the standard, also flat cork adapter, which is sliced through. And how to use it: some, let's say, professional miniature painters are using to attach the mini with wires through the bottom part of the stand or maybe legs, and they just put it onto the cork. But let's say you don't use the technique and have these old 28mm miniatures. They come in this slotted basis, and then you can put the mini inside like this, attach it to the holder, then you can reapply the arm. The mini is secured, and then you can continue with your work. So what does this product do for you? Obviously it will minimize the potential damaging the paint job, because when you are working on the miniature and you are using the pill bottle technique or maybe other holders, then you will have not this arm that will protect the mini, because when you are painting, you sometimes your fingers wander and then you touch it, and that can damage the paint job. So the Rathcore miniature holder version 3 should eliminate these problems and give you a better overall feeling while painting, and also help you with the damage. So where can we go from here? So when you are buying the holder, then you have few options. Obviously, if you are one of those painters, it will put your miniature together and glue it to the stand. Then this will be not good for you, and you need to buy yourself adapters. I would like to see if Rathcore would include, let's say for a discounted price, the adapters with the stand holder, but currently you need to buy them separately. So we have here a bag of 3 different sizes. So inside you will find your 20, 30 and 25 millimeters, and they will fit inside like this. They are cut in the center to help you to remove. And if you are painting, let's say, larger miniatures, like maybe here is a Terminator from Games Workshop, then you need to buy also the larger adapter, and this is this one here. So this is your 40 mil. I don't know why they have not included one 40 mil and call it a day, but no. So you have, if you need a 40 mil adapter, you need to buy this bag, XL bag, and they will give you 2 of them. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So like I mentioned, the holder itself costs around 19 euros. The set of 3 adapters will cost you 11 euros, and the bag of the XL Cork adapters will cost you 10 euros. So if you count everything together, you will have to spend 40 euros. Translate that to any currency you need or you have to pay. Yes, it is not cheap, but in my opinion it will help with the overall quality, and that is why I have bought it, and I will test it, and if I have any problems with it, of course I will make a follow-up video to let you know. But as of now, I have done my research. I have researched the options out there, and this is probably one of the best products that you can buy. I will bring you obviously also a, let's say, cheaper variant or different options for the mounting of the miniatures. So please stay tuned, and if you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.